Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayna Violet, and today we're getting into this wig install featuring a unit sent over by Klaiyi hair. Make sure to stay tuned to see how I achieve this look, what I think of the hair, and if it's giving or if it's going back in the box. So in the box, I got a wig cap, an elastic band, wig tape, wig storage bag, and my personal fave, an interchangeable edge brush. Now, I know an edge brush doesn't sound that exciting, but this one, the fact that it switches out already has me gagging. Now onto the main event, the hair itself. Klaiyi sent me their 13x4 HD blend away body wave wig in 22 inches, and baby, when I say these curls come pre-styled and ready to go, I'm not kidding. It even had a little roller in the front to keep the bang sitting just right. All right, y'all, when it comes to this wig, you know we gotta talk about the lace because this one, yeah, chef's kiss. This is their Bye Bye Cap HD lace, which basically means no wig cap necessary. There's already one built in under the lace, so if you're in a rush or just don't feel like digging around for one, you're good to go. The knots are pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and it comes with clips and a drawstring in the back. So whether your head is tiny like a peanut or jumbo sized, the wig is gonna fit. And that drawstring is gonna make sure there's no sliding, no shifting, and no wig pulling back in the middle of your conversation. Okay, so even though I said we didn't need a wig cap, I wore one anyways because my hair wasn't braided down and I needed to just lay it a smidge flatter. Once I threw the wig on straight out of the box, y'all, I hadn't plucked, sprayed, blended, anything, and it was already giving skin. Here's a close-up of the lace so y'all can see for yourselves, and of course I had to go back in and pluck a little widow's peak because if you know me, you know that's just my standard, non-negotiable. Now, where the built-in cap stopped at the front of the wig, I added a little makeup. I wasn't sure if it would actually show through the lace, but it didn't, so just a heads up, if you want the lace to match your skin tone, apply the makeup directly on the lace, not just on the cap. Once I cut the lace, it was a wrap. The melt was looking so good and I hadn't even glued her down yet. Y'all rarely ever see me do this little comb under the lace trick, but T, chef's kiss. So I tried the Frontal Queen melting spray that's been all over TikTok. I saw the girlies talking about it, so I wanted to see what the hype was about, and listen, I get it now. I used 2 layers and it melted the lace down like butter, okay? Not sticky, not messy, just smooth application and a very strong hold. What's your go-to melting spray or glue? And have y'all tried the Frontal Queen one? Let me know. To lock everything in, I sprayed a little spritz over the top just for an extra oomph and then tied it down with my wig band. I threw in some jumbo flexi rods to keep the curl intact while I did my makeup. Okay, let's talk density. They didn't list it on the packaging, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's around 180%. It's not super thin, but it's not giving like super volume. When I pull all the hair to the front, it looks cute, but if I turned around, it's giving where is the rest of the hair? And we don't like that. So if you like your wigs thick, like can't hear through it thick, I'd recommend choosing a higher density option if they have it. Usually I leave my hair as is, but today I wanted to try something different. So I went with a half up, half down with a bang situation, something playful and something that I don't really do often. And there's not really much to say here except let's watch the magic happen. And this is the final look, y'all. I am seriously in love with how it turned out. I mean, I never really styled my wigs like this, but this one had me in my styling bag, okay? Now, let me know in the comments, would you rock this look? Should I start doing more styles and play around a bit? I don't know. And what wig should I try next? Now, if you like this wig, it's linked in my bio, so definitely check that out. And before you go, you already know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next install. And like this video if you liked anything that you saw, especially if you're like, oh, I need this wig. And of course, share this with your bestie, your mama, your group chat, your situationship, the whole crew, okay? Thanks so much for watching per usual, and I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, stay cute, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.